guys. Yan, kamuting kahoy nga gilid at saka malagkit. Malagkit yan guys, yung ginawang bilog. Tsaka ito naman, kamuting kahoy na gilid. Ginpino nila. Yan guys, merienda tayo guys. See you next vlog. Yan guys, merienda tayo. Kamuting kahoy yan guys, tsaka malagkit na ginawa nilang bilog. See you next vlog. Salamat guys.